Hello! In the previous tutorial, we looked into Linux logs. We discussed what they are, when to use them. Here we are going to pick one of those and write a simple Python script which we could use to analyze the log. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to create a file. Let me call it, because the file we are going to analyze is the syslog. So let me call it syslog analysis. .python is going to be a Python file. So in Syslog, what you find there are mostly files related to system messages, service startup and shutdown, kernel messages. These are the kind of logs that you find there. So we're going to write this script very fast. And what we need to do, let me open this file, Syslog. Before we continue, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. And now we are going to start writing our code. The first thing that we need to write here is the Shebang, which makes it possible for the script to execute. So the next thing would be user bin env for environment. Then we have Python 3, which is what I'm using. We are going to use the open function to read the file. To do that, we use with open. We are going to go into the folder where the syslog file exists. It will be in var log. Then the file name is syslog. That's the file we want to read. Now let us look through the contents of the file. Let's say for line in F. Then inside of this log we are going to look for the words error, because we want to analyze it and find all the error messages. So we're going to, if error in line dot lower, then if there will be error messages, we are going to print a message. Let's say something like let's say line.strip. This strip we will use it to remove any space. So that's actually the end of our code. What we could do, since we are analyzing logs, we could also look for another word, maybe failed, because this is other kinds of words that you could find in such a file. So we're going to look for words error and failed in line dot lower. So it will be case insensitive. Those are the two words that we are going to look for. So let me save it. And let us execute this. It is called syslog analysis.py. Unfortunately, this user has no permission to execute this code. Let us see why. As shown here, this user has access to read and write, but no, or rather has permission to read and write, but no permission to execute. Now let us give the user the permission to execute using the chmod command, then the name of the file. Now let us check the permission again. Now we can see that this user now has permission to execute this file. Then let us execute it again. Oh, not that. Let's see. No, oh, there's an error message somewhere. Vim. Oh, let me go back. vim syslog. Yeah, I can see here there is an error there. Removed it. Let me save again. Now let us go on and run again. What is that? Oh, I'm trying to be fast. There is still an error message somewhere. Valog 6. I was just trying to be fast. Now let's see. Oh, I see where the issue lies. You know, I'm just leaving this so that you can see the error messages. I wish I had not tried to be fast. Now I'm paying for that. So there should be that. This probably is not important. Let me save again. Let me execute. Yes, finally we are able to execute. And now let us look for the words that we're searching for. We're searching for the word error. As you can see, each line has the word error in it. So that's what we searched for. You can see the word failed, which is the second word that we searched for. So this is how you can easily write such scripts. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share. Thank you.